Join the beginning and ending. Transition to the front. Crochet a water weed flower. Need to crochet the 19th round. Okay, finish the water weed flower. After finishing the water weed flower, we go directly to the opposite side to crochet a water weed flower. Four chains over. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Arrive at 3 double crochets. Work evenly into each stitch to crochet 3 double crochets. Each stitch, work 1 double crochet. 3 chains. Repeat. 3 double crochets. 3 chains. 3 double crochets. 3 chains. Repeat this pattern. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch. 3 chains. 3 chains. After completing the fan pattern, we work 4 chains. For the fan shape. In this round, we have 4 chains on both sides. And these are 3 chains? Okay, next we make a seaweed flower. Okay, next seaweed flower. Work a seaweed flower. Then 4 chains. 4 chains. Then we repeat working the seaweed flower. Following the crochet technique I just demonstrated. We work this round all the way around. After completing the 19th round, join the beginning and ending. Slip stitch to the middle of the seaweed flower. Next, we'll work the 20th round, which is our final round. Okay, then here we work a beginning chain. In the first seaweed flower's 3 chain beginning chain. Yarn over, then work an incomplete double crochet. 2 loops on the hook. Ignore it. Yarn over and move to the next seaweed flower. Work an incomplete double crochet. Okay, then there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over once and pull through. This becomes an incomplete double crochet. 2DC2:1 ratio. Work another double crochet in the same seaweed flower, like this. Next, we're going to work 6 chains. 6 chains over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains over. Arrive at our fan pattern. Okay, 3 double crochets here. We do a triple decrease. Merge 3 double crochets into one. Okay, 1 incomplete double crochet. Second stitch, work an incomplete double crochet. Third stitch, work an incomplete double crochet. Loops on the hook. Pull through all loops at once. This creates a triple decrease. Then work 6 chains. 6. 6 chains done. Next one. We do a triple decrease with 3 double crochets. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. Combine all together like this. 6 chains. Good. Yarn over the hook for 6 chains. Work an incomplete double crochet in the first double crochet stitch. Work an incomplete double crochet in the second double crochet stitch. Work an incomplete double crochet in the third stitch. Pull through all loops on the hook now. Good, just repeat. For the fan pattern, we repeat, then work 6 chains over. Good, here, we do another triple decrease. Incomplete double crochet. 3 incomplete double crochets, then pull all together. 6 chains. Good. Incomplete double crochet. Incomplete double crochet. Incomplete double crochet. This way, 3 are combined together, then 6 chains. This fan pattern. Good, 2 more. Combine them together. Combine together. Good, then work 6 chains over. 6 chains. Now we're at the top of this pineapple flower. We need to work a double crochet, complete one. Then work another, a double crochet incomplete stitch. Good, yarn over, work an incomplete double crochet in the next grass flower. This creates the shape. Double crochet 2 together, pulling all loops through. Good, in the same grass flower. The double crochet we worked here. This is the top of our pineapple flower. Okay, next we'll repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we've completed one group, then completed another group. As for the rest, we'll repeat the crochet method of the first group. This is our final round. Round 20. After completing this round, the entire garment will be done. Crochet to the last round here. Join the beginning and ending, then slip stitch and cut the yarn. At the waist, you can also choose based on personal preference to purchase a belt like this. The length of the belt is approximately between 1.5 to 2 meters. Next, watch my demonstration. Take out the hook. And the yarn, then make a loop on the hook. First, make a slip knot. Chain 3. 1, 2. 3 chains. Work back and insert the hook into the second chain. Work a single crochet. Now we're at the first chain to insert the hook. Then work another single crochet. Next, give it a clockwise turn. Look ahead. Slightly loosen the yarn tail. See the 2 strands ahead. Two strands here. Pick up both strands. Pull through the yarn to make a single crochet. Then turn clockwise again. See the 2 strands here. Pick up both strands. Pull through the yarn. Work a single crochet. Then continue turning. See the 2 strands here. Pull the yarn through. Work a single crochet. We repeat this way. Pick up both strands. Don't pull the loops too tight. Keep them slightly loose. Don't pull too tight. Keep it a bit loose. This makes it easier to insert the hook. Turn again. Don't pull the yarn tail too tight. Keep it slightly loose. Pick up both strands. Pull the yarn through. Make a single crochet. Continue like this. Turn clockwise. Repeat this way. Crochet to your desired length. Cut the yarn. Turn. If we've reached the desired length, then we can do it here. Join with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and pull tight. We can hide the yarn tails using our tapestry needle, or a smaller crochet hook will work too. Tuck them into the fabric. Hide them like this. Cut the yarn. This way we've woven in the ends. Here I'll demonstrate how to thread the ties. Find the middle of the body and the hem. The position for the companion flower. Find the hole at the corner below. Thread it through here first. This is the half flower in the middle. Start threading from my right hand side. Okay, then there's a corner here, which is at the corner of our 7 chain. Thread through this corner position. Go around once. Then tie a bow. You can place it according to your preference. In the center of our garment. Or at the waist, either works.